This is a bathroom floor inside of Menards in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. The restroom is used by 200 plus contractors a day and maintained by Jana King. It was getting cleaned twice a day, but even so, they could not keep it clean and the urine odor was overwhelming. We came in and used Simix Cleaner to clean the restroom. Then we added 4 coats of Simix ceramic floor coating. The smell is gone and now it's easier to keep clean. No steam cleaning was required to get the floor clean. After 6 months, we went back and talked to the Jana King franchisee.
With this product, it's keep it clean. It's keep no smell, nothing, and floor keep shine. You don't have to hard mat. Just keep mapping regular map. It's still shine.
Learn more at simixusa.com.